When your AC breaks or your furnace won't kick on, Quality Heating and Air is ready to help families throughout Thornton, Northglenn, and Denver. Our friendly techs handle everything, from quick HVAC repairs and AC tune-ups to brand new furnace installations. Whether it's routine maintenance, emergency HVAC services available 24/7, or even larger commercial HVAC projects, we've got your back. Keep comfy year-round. Call Quality Heating and Air today to get fast, reliable air conditioning service and HVAC installation from experienced contractors near you. Call now for info.